Hey, what's up guys? Chad here. I am chilling at my place in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm gonna take you with me on a quick little tour of a cool area of St. Pete that I like to bike through. But more importantly, I wanna sit down and talk to you about something that I think is super important, especially when you're off traveling and if you're gonna be going somewhere for a longer period of time, or if you're looking to retire in the Philippines or anything like that. I dropped the ball on it, and there's no question, now that I'm back and I have my routine going, I'm really noticing how beneficial it is. Let's go on a quick bike ride tour, and then we'll sit down and chat about it. Crescent Lake Park, baby. Wow, that is awesome. Bar with a dog pool. Then we have axe throwing on the right, and one of my favorite breweries, the Grand Central Brew House. Awesome spot on the right. The dog bar, an all-time classic. The original. Okay, we gotta go down here. What's going on? The Grateful Dead is alive. You're gonna see lots of street art in St. Pete everywhere. All right, we're getting there. Lots of new stuff. And we made it. What's up guys? I can't even tell you how good I feel after a bike ride like that. I just finished a good stretch session. My body needs this so bad. I've mentioned it in previous videos when I had setbacks. I have lower back issues, and during the 8 months that I was in the Philippines, I think I started out okay, and then in a short amount of time, like my whole routine that I try to keep up with, like in my normal life here back in the US, it just went out the window. And I'm looking back and I'm thinking, it seems to always go out the window when I travel, especially for any length of time. So I thought this video was important because at my age, and I think a lot of my viewers are over 40, and I don't know if you can relate, but man, now that I'm 45, it's like my back aches. I have just issues where if I don't move, like things start to not go well for me. And I noticed that when I was in the Philippines, and I just didn't keep my routine going. And a lot of it had to do with maybe inconvenience, and when you're out in the province and you don't have easy access. Like here, it's just so easy for me. I live right on a bike trail. It takes me down to a beautiful area in a park, and it's no traffic, and it's just fresh air, stuff like that. I have a free outdoor gym that I work out at. So if you're in IT Park, or if you're in Manila, in an area where you have easy access to a gym, you know, no problem, you can do that. But if you're traveling and you're on the move and you're out in the province, it does get trickier. There's tons of distractions. I mean, you're gonna be going to beaches and just hanging out and relaxing, you know, so it's easy to get out of your routine. I wanna mention this too, especially like when I was in the city, it's easy to start bad habits of just going to Jollibee and like hitting up fast food. Most places close by were like fast food type places, and you can easily just get in a routine of eating crappy. There's no question about it. Lots of sweet stuff there. Filipinos love sweet stuff. And anyways, consider that too. Like consider what you're eating in addition to, you know, keeping up with a good exercise routine. I feel so much better now that I'm back in my routine, and I know without a doubt when I go back there, I am gonna make sure I keep it going. I had just too many setbacks. This is kind of like a public service announcement, guys. It's just something that I'm really noticing the benefit of exercise. And I know looking back that I failed in that regard. And I think for a lot of you that are planning to go there for a lengthy trip, or you're gonna retire there, I think it's kind of easy to get out of the routine. So you have to find places. I will just mention, like, I stayed at Avita Towers, for example, in IT Park. They have like a pool and a running track, and you know, when you have access to stuff like that, that's really easy, it's close, it's convenient, you know, the likelihood of you doing some exercise is gonna be that much higher. So I'm just saying, keep it in mind. You wanna have a healthy, you know, enjoyable time in the Philippines. Don't neglect your health. We're getting older, guys. And we want to feel young and feel good when we're traveling in the Philippines. So that's it, guys. This is a video promoting that to make your time in the Philippines that much better, that much more enjoyable, that much more sustainable. And hey, if you're chasing girls, then they're gonna like you that much more too. And you have to keep up with them, right? So anyways, just having some fun with this one, guys. Thanks for watching. More to come.